Never start a business to make money. You start a business to make a difference in people's lives. The sentiment rings true for Netanin Dauvere, an entrepreneur in the Lao province who has been successfully running a canteen in Vatoa village for over a decade now. Chasai Nununga with Dauvere's success story.
Netanin Dauvere believes the mindset of Fijians in rural and maritime zones needs to change so they can become competitive in the business arena. Anyone can run a business of any form. It got to do with the right mindset, a positive attitude, and being honest in the daily operations of the business. At times, some people in villages say that business is only fit for those in urban centers, which is not true. Anyone, whether is a secondary or primary school leaver, can operate his or her business. This canteen has been in operation for the past 50 years, serving about 120 Vatoa villages. It has been a challenging journey ensuring that the business stays afloat, especially during these trying times. The canteen has brought relief to the villagers as they don't have to waste money to travel and buy items from shops in neighboring islands. He currently employs 2 villagers who man the daily operations of the canteen. I was the only one looking after the canteen when it first started with the selected opening hours. Over the years, the demand picked up, and that's where I realized the business need to be fully operational. Hence, I carefully selected 2 other villagers who assist me. Dauvere says groceries are supplied to the island once a month, and that has been a challenge for them. At times, the canteen runs out of stock waiting for the next shipment that comes once a month. We are planning to increase the stock volume to cater for the increasing demand from villagers. The 60-year-old says the maximum monthly profit is around $2,000, and he now plans to expand the business. Chasai Nununga, FBC News.